every system built around grapes begins in the vineyard. Cultivation and processing operate in close coordination.
Distance between harvest and intake is intentionally minimized.
The fruit remains central at every stage. Maturity is judged by color, firmness, and sugar content. Sun exposure is carefully controlled. Water delivery influences fruit concentration. Human inspection confirms harvest timing.
In larger vineyards, mechanical harvesting improves efficiency.
Vibration separates fruit from stem.
Selective harvesting protects quality.
Early rejection prevents downstream loss.
Ventilation slows heat buildup.
Handling minimizes compression. Temperature control begins immediately. Loading patterns maintain airflow.
Movement during transit must be eliminated.
Harvest transitions into logistics.
Transit time is tightly controlled.
Intake begins within hours of harvest.
Precision alignment reduces manual transfer.
Each batch remains traceable.
Surface defects are identified early.
Vineyard residue is removed before washing.
The processing line begins here. Buffers regulate line speed.
Cleaning follows immediately after intake.
Water cushions fruit during sanitation.
Cleaning prepares grapes for transformation. A second rinse removes remaining field residue.
Rotation ensures even surface cleaning. Moisture is reduced before further handling.
Visual checks refine overall quality.
Only suitable fruit proceeds into processing.
Size consistency stabilizes machine calibration.
Stem structure influences downstream separation. Stems are separated from berries.
Mechanical rotation detaches fruit gently. Non-fruit material is removed immediately.
Individual berries now move independently.
Optical sorting enhances consistency.
Automation removes substandard fruit.
Proved fruit advances to transformation. Crushing begins structural breakdown.
Crushing releases juice while preserving flavor compounds.
Pressure increases liquid yield. Extracted juice is collected for further refinement. Residual solids remain valuable. Solids support additional product lines. Some grapes remain unprocessed for fresh sale.
Another stream becomes concentrated jam.
A separate path transforms grapes through dehydration.
A single harvest now supports 4 distinct products.
Parallel outputs remain tightly synchronized. The fresh line preserves the grape's original form.
Minor adjustments refine presentation quality. Packaging begins without altering structure.
Oxygen levels are controlled to extend freshness.
Temperature stabilizes shelf life. Heat treatment ensures microbial safety. The liquid awaits bottling. Volume accuracy is strictly maintained. Controlled heat concentrates natural sugars. Continuous agitation prevents scorching. The mixture moves while still warm. Portioning ensures uniform retail weight. Dehydration requires even spacing. Moisture reduction concentrates sugars.
Texture shifts as water content declines.
Dehydration completes transformation. Color and size remain standardized. Dry product requires airtight containment.
Weight precision ensures consistency.
Traceability remains constant across lines.
Parallel outputs converge once more.
Final inspection confirms consistency across all lines. Organized storage simplifies outbound logistics.
Cold chain continuity is verified before loading. Weight distribution ensures transport stability. Shipment integrity is confirmed. Administrative steps finalize release.
Processed grapes move beyond the factory.
Production continues beyond each shipment.
The system remains rooted in its source.
The process returns to the vineyard.
Growth precedes every transformation.
Structure defines cultivation rhythm. Human care shapes agricultural outcomes. Experience guides harvest decisions. Readiness is judged through sight and touch.
Time moves quietly across the vines.
Scale reveals the system's foundation. Natural motion contrasts industrial precision. Each cluster carries the entire system within it.
Completion does not end the cycle.
The day closes without urgency. Nature sets the rhythm of production. The system rests before renewal. Every harvest begins here again.